CH-53E Super Stallion, the mighty heavy-lift helicopter of the U.S. military. The CH-53E Super Stallion is indeed the heaviest helicopter in service with the United States military. It is a large, heavy-lift cargo helicopter primarily operated by the United States Marine Corps. Developed by Sikorsky aircraft, the CH-53E Super Stallion is specifically designed for carrying heavy equipment, supplies, and personnel in support of amphibious assaults, expeditionary operations, and other missions. The CH-53E Super Stallion has an impressive maximum gross weight of over 73,000 pounds, 33,179 kilograms. It has a length of approximately 99 feet, 30 meters, and a rotor diameter of 79 feet, 24 meters. The helicopter is powered by 3 turboshaft engines, which provide the necessary power to lift heavy loads and operate in challenging environments. The CH-53E Super Stallion has a range of around 540 nautical miles, 1,000 kilometers, and a maximum speed of approximately 170 knots, 196 miles per hour, or 315 kilometers per hour. It is equipped with advanced avionics and various mission-specific systems to enhance its operational capabilities. Due to its size, weight, and lifting capacity, the CH-53E Super Stallion plays a vital role in transporting troops, vehicles, and supplies to remote and austere locations. It is often used for humanitarian assistance and disaster relief operations, as well as supporting combat operations and military exercises. The CH-53E Super Stallion has been in service since the 1980s and has undergone several upgrades over the years to improve its performance and capabilities. However, it is worth noting that as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, there were discussions about replacing the CH-53E Super Stallion with a newer and more advanced helicopter called the CH-53K King Stallion in the future.